Hi, I will show you how easy it is to use a power bank on an iOS device. First of all, what is a power bank and what can they charge? Portable power banks are special batteries in a case with a special circuit to control power flow. They allow you to store electrical energy, like a deposit bank deposit, and then later you may use it to charge up a mobile device. Power banks have become increasingly popular as the battery life of our beloved phones, tablets and portable media players is depleted. By keeping a battery backup close by, you can top up your device while far from a wall outlet. Nice and simple. Keep in mind that the Type A USB port is for output only, so you may use your ordinary Apple charger cable to connect the power bank to your iOS device. When you need to charge the power bank, make sure you use the micro USB port with the cable provided from the producer. Power banks are very convenient when you travel, or when you are outdoors. Have a nice day.
If you would like to see more videos related to Macintosh computers or Apple products in general, please go to my channel, Addicted to Macintosh, and look at the playlists. There are many videos on many different Apple products, including macOS High Sierra. You can also check my Bootcamp playlist. There are many videos on how to install Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10 on a Macintosh. Check it out. Addicted to Macintosh YouTube channel. Hundreds of Apple-related videos uploaded. Thank you for sharing, subscribing, liking, and Addicted to Macintosh YouTube channel. Hundreds of Apple-related videos uploaded. Thank you for sharing, subscribing, liking, and viewing. Viewing.